Welcome to the Mind Spark, bringing you the latest news from around the world. The news didn't explode. It crept in, a quiet hum that soon became a global chorus of disbelief. Headlines everywhere tried to capture the moment. Universe's oldest secret revealed. Webb Telescope finds the impossible. For a brief moment, humanity looked up from its daily struggles and stared into the cosmic dark. The universe, it turned out, was older, stranger, and more mysterious than we'd ever imagined. This wasn't just another distant galaxy. This was a fundamental shift, a moment to rival Copernicus, Galileo, and Einstein. One of our greatest machines, the James Webb Space Telescope, had peered so far back in time, it found something looking back, something that defied every law we knew. The initial reports were dense with scientific jargon, but the message was simple. We'd found something that shouldn't exist. At the edge of the observable universe, a structure of impossible scale and complexity had been detected, a whisper from the dawn of time. The world held its breath, trying to comprehend. Was this a bizarre natural phenomenon, or something that would force us to rethink our place in the cosmos? The age of certainty was over. A new era of cosmic wonder had begun. To understand this discovery, you need to know the James Webb Space Telescope, a time machine, not just a telescope. Its golden mirror captures the faintest light from the universe's earliest moments, seeing in infrared where ancient starlight now glows. Webb orbits 1 million miles from Earth at the L2 point, shielded from the sun's heat, kept frigid to detect the faintest signals. From this outpost, Webb peers into the cosmic dark ages, searching for the first galaxies and the building blocks of life. It's our eye on the cosmic ocean, sending back images that are postcards from a younger, wilder universe. In one of these deep field observations, Webb found something that would challenge everything we thought we knew. The impossible had been seen. The discovery began as a puzzle, not a eureka moment. Astronomers, searching for the faintest protogalaxies, found a source of light far brighter and more structured than anything at that distance. At first, it was dismissed as a glitch, a stray photon, a software bug. But every test confirmed it. The object was real, lurking at the edge of the observable universe, when the cosmos was just 400 million years old. According to our models, nothing so massive or complex should have formed so early. Yet this object was enormous, more massive than clusters of modern galaxies. It was a cosmic titan among newborns, a skyscraper in a village of huts. The data was clear, but the implications were impossible. The object, provisionally named the Beacon, was a contradiction, a piece that didn't fit the cosmic puzzle. The universe was showing us something new, and we had to listen. The team's first instinct was skepticism. They ruled out every error, recalibrated, rechecked, and always the beacon remained. The signal wasn't noise, it was a message. Analyzing the light, they found not chaotic radiation, but a complex repeating sequence of energy pulses, structured, almost mathematical. Natural objects emit random spectra, but this was organized, coherent, and deeply complex, almost linguistic. It was as if someone had sculpted the raw energy of the early universe into a symphony. The anomaly became an enigma. A natural object couldn't explain this pattern. The alternative was staggering. The signal was artificial. The control room shifted from confusion to awe. The team had stumbled upon what looked like a blueprint. The repeating pattern was the smoking gun, suggesting not just a massive object, but a technology. The implications were immense. The scientists checked and rechecked in secrecy, wrestling with the burden of discovery. The glitch was not a glitch, it was a design. And it had waited 13.5 billion years to be seen. The universe had left us a message. With its existence confirmed, scientists began to characterize the beacon. Its light left when the universe was just a toddler, placing it in the cosmic dark ages. Its mass was astronomical, hundreds of billions of stars, more than the Milky Way, yet packed into a space far smaller than any known galaxy. Its density and coherent pulsed light suggested a single unified power source, impossible for that era. According to our models, there wasn't enough time for such a structure to form. The beacon shattered our timeline, a fully formed giant in a universe that should have been chaos. It was ancient, yet impossibly advanced, colossal, yet compact, blindingly bright, yet unlike any star or quasar. Every new detail deepened the mystery. It was not a star, not a galaxy, not a black hole, something else entirely. The beacon was a new entry in the cosmic bestiary. The universe had revealed a contradiction. The scientific community split into two camps. One argued the beacon was a natural phenomenon, perhaps a new kind of object or physics beyond the standard model. Maybe it was a cosmic solid, a gravistar, or a primordial black hole, something exotic but natural. The other camp pointed to the structured, information-rich signal as evidence of intelligent design. No known process could produce such complexity. Perhaps the beacon was a technological artifact, a monument from an ancient civilization. It could be a colossal energy source, a galactic computer, or a beacon announcing its existence across eons. The debate raged: new physics or the first evidence of them? Either way, our understanding of the universe would never be the same. The beacon's gravity presented a final puzzle. Its mass, measured by brightness and gravitational lensing, didn't match. Its gravity was even greater than its light suggested. Stranger still, the gravitational field was diffuse, not centered on the object's core. It was as if mass and light were disconnected, two entities loosely linked. This gravitational ghost defied both natural and artificial explanations. Was this evidence of new physics or technology manipulating space-time itself? Some theorized a new law of gravity. Others whispered of warp drives and cosmic machines. The beacon wasn't just breaking our rules of cosmology, it was breaking the rules of gravity itself. The universe's most fundamental force had been challenged. The beacon's discovery ignited global wonder and humility. For centuries, we wondered if we were alone. Now we have an answer, just not the one we expected. Whether natural marvel or alien artifact, the beacon proves the universe is far more complex and mysterious than we knew. Our story of the cosmos is now an incomplete draft. We must rethink everything. We must accept colossal, organized structures in an era we thought was chaos, and confront the possibility of ancient intelligence. The beacon is a mirror, reflecting our cosmic ignorance and potential. If it's an artifact, we are not the first. Other minds have left their mark on space-time. If it's a tombstone, it's a sobering reminder of existence's fragility. This is not an end, but a beginning. A call to explore deeper, ask bigger questions, and embrace the unknown. The universe will never be the same, because we have been forever changed by the whisper from the dawn of time.